Hello, testing. Can you see me? Hopefully the microphone is working and my screen is showing you guys just my YouTube channel. And I hope I can, right now I'm choosing the webcam and the screen. So I see myself in the Screencast. So let's see if that works. And then here's my YouTube video.
Hello, everyone.
We're not going to watch it, but I just want to see if it would record the whole thing of like when I'm clicking, all that. So I'm going to make it a full screen to see what happens. You probably can't see me anymore, or maybe you can. I don't see it, so. Okay, now that I see myself over here. Alrighty. So, the reason why I sound really rough right now is because I have COVID. So, I'm on day 4 and just trying to recover from it. Quarantine myself, and it's snowing outside. Yep. But, anyways, I think I'm going to pause it to see what it looks like. So, I will be right back. Oh, the video works great. And I think I'm going to try to edit something really quick. I'm going to try to bring this down. I thought you could crop it. I know there's a way to do it. I just got to practice. Maybe I just need to pull this up and then bring this. Oops, don't do that. I know, I'm okay with that, but I know there's a way to do this, but I forgot it. Maybe it's not working because I'm recording, so I'll be right back. I got it. Yay! Mission accomplished. Now, I think this is just a practice video, and that's all my professor really needs, so I'm going to upload this to YouTube, and then turn it in. So, I finally officially got it. I feel comfortable and confident with it. So, thank you.